you still looking at me? Why you still looking at me?
Hey, what's up everyone? It is the 1st of February of 2019 and I am honoring my duties here by bringing you guys the first of this month's upload. And I had originally promised about 1 or 2, maybe a month, and I uploaded about 8 last month. So let's keep it rolling. All right. So today we're gonna see how I'm working on this Robocop piece. Robocop happened to be one of the most favorite movies that I ever have seen, because it was the first movie that I saw in a theater, or that at least I remember clearly seeing it in the theater. There might have been other ones, but I probably wasn't caring enough. And to me, this movie represents everything that you can do with limited resources and still create magic. And what I mean by that is that today's version of Robocop, it's amazing as far as the special effects, the story, the content. Everything is like over the top, but even like that, it's not better than the first one. And that's a 1980s movie. To say that a 1980s movie can kick the ass of a current movie is just so fucking impressive. It's one of the things that really attracts me to this character, because in reality, and the new one, they make fun of it, and he looks it really does look like a football player with a metal armor plate on it. And I don't know, I didn't really see how clunky it looked until they pointed it out in the new movies, and how the new Robocop looks very sleek and everything. That's strange, but even so, I don't see the new one being more iconic than the old one, even though the old one looks a little weird now since they pointed it out to me. But anyways, today's process, I'm going a little Andy Warhol on this thing. I didn't want to do just your blues, grays, tan tones and the reflection of the armor, and that's it. I wanted to do a little bit more of a, I don't know, like a modern art feel to it, sort of, if you will. So I just started painting with whatever random colors came up in the selection tool, and some of them were pink. One was like aqua blue, a real deep, almost black purple, and then see what comes out from there. And I started just kind of dabbing into it. And to the right, you can see that I have somewhat of a palette that I intended to use, and I tried a little bit on it, but it didn't really work out the way I wanted to. So I just gave up on that, building that palette to the right. I saw that the other day when I was painting, and there was another guy that did that, and that's deliberately stolen idea from that dude. So it didn't work out anyways. But I wanted to try it out, and this is a result. It didn't take me too long to do this piece. This one it took me 2 hours, I believe, and I kept it really simple. I didn't want to just go too crazy on it. I regret working too much of that blue on top of the ED robot in the background, the 209 robot. I really I should have left it a little bit darker. The silhouette should have been stronger than that. I really regret that, but it is what it is. I'll live with it. And it's not too bad, but it's definitely not a super detailed piece or anything. It's just meant for fun. I'm trying to keep this light so I can keep on bringing you the videos more often. So let me know what you think. Do you want to see more of the simplistic approach? Do you appreciate what I did with this, with the red tones at the end? I felt, I don't know, something told me to put red on it, and I don't know. It's I'm not too convinced, really. I'm not even sure if I'm gonna upload this too right now, but I hope you like it, and if you do like the simplistic approach, let me know, and I'll bring you more stuff. All right. Have a good day. We'll see you soon for episode 9.